precision manufacturing meets the right partnership, innovation thrives.
Helix Linear is a US-based manufacturer of precision motion control components. We manufacture precision lead screws, ball screws, and linear actuators. Most of what we manufacture for our customers are custom engineered solutions that they use in any number of automation applications.
Established in 2011 by Christopher Nook, Helix Linear was founded on a simple belief that precision matters. Built by engineers and innovators, Helix set out to redefine what's possible in linear motion by combining advanced manufacturing techniques with a relentless commitment to quality.
Helix is thriving in Cleveland, Ohio because of its strong, skilled workforce and its robust infrastructure for manufacturing.
For Helix, true innovation isn't just about technology, it's about trust. And that's exactly what their partners have come to rely on.
We had a situation where we had a production line that was going to go down. So we reached out to Chris, explained the situation to him, and in a whirlwind 48 hours, we had the problem solved. They had parts in assembly and parts on our dock within that 48 hours, and our production line did not go down.
Our mission here at Helix is to build a company that's innovative and highly customer-focused. Our success is directly dependent upon our customer success, and they need us to be highly responsive. They need us to be innovative and fast-thinking, and they need high-quality products, and ones that are unique to their applications and ones that bring new ideas and higher levels of performance to the things that they're trying to build. There are a lot of things that I think we can be proud of here at Helix, but I think the one thing that stands out is the team of people that we put together. We manufacture some amazing products for our customers, but none of that happens without having an amazing team in place. Innovation's important for us because the motion control and automation industries and activity are so important today. The ability to incorporate smart motors and precision manufactured lead screws and ball screws to build actuation systems that can automate any number of applications is a really busy industry right now, and it's highly important for automation.
To stay ahead in high-demand industries, Helix knew it needed more than great products. It needed a partner who could help them grow smarter, faster, and stronger.
We have really needed to invest in different types of technology, and we've needed to hire people. And as a small company competing in bigger markets, that's challenging. We started working with Magnet, I think, around 2018, and it was a collision of our technical markets and teams. Some of these projects that we've worked on with Magnet are foundational type projects that are going to help us grow. The first is the ball nut grinding machine that we just acquired. We're precision grinding ball nuts that go onto flight critical surfaces for drones and aircraft and guided munitions. Another one of the projects that we've been able to work with Magnet on is the implementation of a cobot. And the cobot helps us deburr parts, and that's one of the critical tasks that we have. The other one is a fully automated induction heat treating system that allows us to harden ball screws here in our factory. And those investments in that partnership with Magnet have helped us support the demands that we're getting from our customers, because they're bigger companies than us and they have very aggressive challenges themselves, and they need good suppliers to support them.
At Helix, innovation isn't just a goal, it's the result of strong relationships, trust, and shared vision.
A big part of our success is founded on our partnerships. And the partnerships first start with our employees and our teams, but then they extend to the partners that we buy steel from, that we buy plastic from, the ones that provide services, our banks, our accounting firms. And Magnet's become a key partner for our success. It's really teed us up for a bright future.